Hey guys, welcome to new video. I am actually walking in a flat which was closed for few years. So my client wants to redo the house and give it on rent. So I am actually I'll definitely have a series for this as well, because this will be the minimum things which I'll be doing in the flat, which are required from repairing point of view as well as from decorating point of view. But it will be since the flat is going to be on rent, so it will not be beautified to the extent what you see in my other series, wherein the client is occupying the flat on their own. So the condition of the flat is not healthy. The hygiene of the flat, what you see, is a lot of repair works are expected. This is actually a reverse penthouse. So the configuration is a living room with dining and kitchen and terrace on the first floor, on the top floor, and below we have 3 bedrooms. So stay tuned for the new upcoming series. Thank you so much. Bye bye.